Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk a little about it. Having an introverted nature is not a barrier for you to succeed. Okay. Introverts are a type of personality possessed by humans. Usually, the characteristics that are visible are quiet, shy, not talking much, and characteristics that tend to be passive. Not infrequently, with this character, some people think that people with this character will find it difficult to achieve success in their careers. This is because they easily feel uncomfortable and tend to avoid crowds. Even communicating with other people they have just met is very difficult. Introverts often feel inferior and isolated because of this characteristic. But basically, introverts have their own advantage and uniqueness. Of course, you can maximize this as best as possible as capital to achieve success and dreams you want to achieve. For example, there are several characters who have succeeded in using their personality to achieve success. One of them is Warren Buffett. Who doesn't know Warren Buffett? He is one of the most successful entrepreneurs and investors in the world. Not only that, his simple life often inspires and serves as a positive example for many people. Even so, he admits that he is an introvert. Buat even took part in Dale Carnegie's seminar, How to Win Friends and Influence People, to learn how to interact with other people properly. Even so, he admits that he is an introvert. Buffett even took part in Dale Carnegie's seminar, How to Win Friends and Influence People, to learn how to interact with other people properly. So, introverted nature is not an obstacle for him to achieve success. For someone who has an introverted nature, he has the right to achieve success. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.